meron sa kanila naging aggressive, like sinaktan, sinapak, sinipa yung dog. So today, pag-uusapan naman natin ang social learning theory, and this was introduced by Albert Bandura. Si Albert Bandura, he challenged the idea na learning only happens through rewards and punishments. Sabi niya, hindi lang doon natatapos ang learning, kundi natututo rin tayo just by observing other people. If you think of it, ang dami natin yung tututunan without even trying. Like halimbawa, may naririnig tayong mga words lang, mga Gen Z terms, tapos alam na rin natin yun paano gamitin. Or may nakita tayong behavior from our friends, tapos nagagaya na rin natin yun. Like hindi mo naman siya pinag-aaralan ng formally, just learn that simply by watching. That's the core of social learning theory. Learning happens through observation, imitation, and modeling. So instead of experiencing everything firsthand, we learn by simply watching others and copying them. So merong famous experiment dito na ang tawag is Bobo the Doll. Now, ganito yon. May mga bata na pinapanood sa mga adult na nakikipag-interact yung mga adult doon sa doll. Ang ginawa ng mga matatanda, meron sa kanila naging aggressive, like sinaktan, sinapak, sinipa yung doll. And after that, iniwan yung mga bata doon, and surprisingly, ang ginawa nila is kung ano yung naobserbahan nila. Ginaya nila yung nakita nila. Yung mga bata na nakakita ng aggressive behavior, ginaya rin nila yon. So this shows na yung mga bata and even us adults don't just learn from instruction. We learn from what we see. So paano naman ito natin gagamitin as teachers in our future teaching career? First, we have to remember na we are the role models sa mga classroom. Kahit hindi tayo magsalita, students are observing us. So if we show respect, patience, discipline, most likely gagayahin din yun ng mga bata. Second, we can use this concept of modeling. Instead of pure explanation, ipakita natin like how to solve a problem, how to speak confidently, how to behave properly, kasi mas natututo sila when they see it in action. And third, we can encourage peer learning. Students can learn from each other by observing their classmates. So, in simple terms, social learning theory tells us na hindi lang tayo natututo sa ginagawa natin. Natututo rin tayo sa pinapanood natin. And as future teachers, that's very important. Because students don't just listen to us, they watch us. So dapat maging maingat tayo sa kung ano yung pinapakita natin sa mga student natin. Kung gusto natin sila maging respectful, then we should be respectful as well.